Hello and welcome to this session, Learning Outcome, LO4. Understand visual perceptual development in the context of the nature versus nurture debate. Today, we will explore how genetic predispositions and environmental influences interact to shape our visual perceptual abilities, uncovering the fascinating ways nature and nurture work together. From a nature perspective, individuals may inherit genetic predispositions for visual abilities. Genetic factors influence the visual system's development, affecting acuity and color vision. Specific receptors and neural pathways are biologically determined. This perspective emphasizes innate capacities. It underscores how nature shapes visual sensitivity. On the nurture side, environmental stimuli shape visual development. Early exposure to patterns and colors refines neural connections. Cultural influences highlight nurture's impact. This perspective emphasizes environmental shaping of visual perception. It shows how experiences contribute to perceptual abilities. Critical periods align with nature's influence on visual development. During infancy, binocular vision is highly genetic. Depth perception development is considered innate. These periods highlight nature's role. They emphasize genetic factors in visual maturation. Sensitive periods underscore environmental impact. Exposure to visual stimuli enhances skills. Language scripts and cultural symbols play a role. The timing of environmental input is crucial. It highlights nurture's influence during developmental stages. Nature proponents argue visual abilities evolved adaptively. Quick motion perception and facial recognition are examples. These abilities provided survival advantages. They illustrate nature's role in perceptual evolution. Such features reflect genetic inheritance. Nurture acknowledges environmental shaping of abilities. Cultural prioritization of visual cues illustrates this. Facial expressions or landscapes vary by culture. These variations show nurture's influence. They highlight how environments tailor perceptual skills. Nature emphasizes genetic influence on neural plasticity. Adaptability to environmental changes is acknowledged. Genes may determine plasticity degree. Nature's role in visual system adaptability is significant. It highlights genetic limits on plasticity. Nurture emphasizes experience-dependent changes. Visual development isn't solely genetic. Ongoing experiences shape perception. Enriched environments lead to changes. This perspective highlights nurture's ongoing influence. The nature versus nurture debate is complex. Genetic predispositions and environmental influences interact. Both perspectives recognize this interplay. Visual perceptual development reflects this complexity. It underscores the intricate factors involved. Nature argues visual development is genetically governed. Receptors in the retina are innate. Genetic predispositions set the framework. These foundations are crucial for perception. They emphasize nature's role in development. Nurture emphasizes environmental shaping of perception. Genetics don't determine the full trajectory. Stimuli and experiences refine abilities. They contribute significantly to specialization. Nurture's role is vital in perceptual development. Nature highlights critical periods' genetic influence. Binocular vision and depth perception are examples. Nurture emphasizes sensitive periods' environmental input. Early exposure enhances adaptability. These periods reflect both perspectives. Nature acknowledges experience-dependent plasticity. Visual adaptability is recognized. Genetic factors may limit plasticity. Nurture highlights environmental impacts on adaptability. This interplay shapes visual development. Nature examines cross-cultural studies through genetics. Adaptations to environments are highlighted. Color perception varies by region. Nurture sees cultural factors shaping perception. It emphasizes environmental and societal influences. Both perspectives recognize nature and nurture's interplay. A holistic view acknowledges intertwined influences. Genetic foundations and environmental factors aren't exclusive. They interact throughout development. This understanding is crucial for perception. The debate highlights perceptual development's complexity. Individual differences arise from genetic and environmental interplay. Unique experiences shape abilities. Nature and nurture together influence perception. This complexity is central to understanding. In conclusion, visual perceptual development reflects nature and nurture's interplay. Genetic foundations set the stage, while environmental influences shape abilities. Understanding this complexity is crucial for comprehending perception. For any questions, contact us on WhatsApp at 0748-436-1688. See you at the next session and thank you for your attention.